Hey, the average Joe here. So the answer is yes, yes, yes. We get so many questions about Revit and HVAC solution, and the answer is yes. So you build your system schematics here in HVAC solution. You'll see we have an air handler, an airflow schematic with a humidifier there, low steam dispersion schematic with a hot water and chilled water schematic. When you're done with your system schematics, at the start of a project, then all you need to do is file. Let me close off here, file, then come to Revit connection. It's going to say status waiting to connect to Revit. Once you see that, you can open up Revit. Just go down here and open that up. And in Revit, we have, when you have our add-in in Revit, we can come in and import the schematics in Revit, import the schedules in Revit, as well as map equipment if you want to map all the equipment from HVAC solution to Revit. So we'll just look at it here. Here's the schematic in Revit. You can have it, bring it in there as a nice colored document, or you can bring it in there as a black and white. If you want the color, just import the PDF that you can create and save in HVAC solution. Then we have the schedules that we create and can bring right into Revit, both the schedules and schematics in the drafting view. And then if you want to do the mapping, that's where you see all the components in HVAC solution here, and you can map those to components that you placed in your Revit model. And once you do that and transfer the data over, then you can use the Revit API to create schedules in Revit. If you want to customize the schedules, that's how you would do it. So once again, the answer is yes, we can. You know, the whole idea is you run loads, you import them in HVAC solution, you build your system schematics. Now you know what components you need to put into Revit and connect up, how you need to connect them all up. And then you have a nice schematic of the system that you're going to model in Revit and you know, in 3D, right? Make sure everything fits in ceiling space and mechanical rooms and fan rooms. So we also have 2 more videos on the Average Joe Knows YouTube channel if you need to watch those on more detail on what I just went through. That takes a little bit more time. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful.